Why waste time in commute and spend a lot of money for NEET UG coaching? Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in NEET? India's leading online NEET coaching, 100% success. NEET UG. TeenEinstein.com. At TeenEinstein, we focus on NEET coaching from Class 6 to Class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany and zoology with lots of years of teaching experience for Class 6 to Class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry and biology for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quizzes and thousands of videos. Limited offer, 40,000 per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com. Contact 99402 49720.
Hello students, welcome to the PYQ discussions on NEET UG papers. Here I am going to discuss a problem from NEET UG paper 2020. This particular question was set in the re-exam paper during COVID period. The question says time intervals measured by a clock give the following readings. Okay, 1.25 second, 1.24 second, etc. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 readings. What is the percentage relative error of the observation? So how to find out percentage relative error? Let me write this. So you have to find out what is delta, that is the error, divided by the original value. Original value is actually going to be nearly the mean value. Okay, mean value will be the original value into 100. This will give you relative percentage error. And how do you get this delta A? Delta A is actually the mean of the error. Mean of the error. Okay, mean of the error. So how to find out that error first of all? So error will be actually found out. So suppose this A is the quantity I am saying. I would have written T for time, but I am just taking an in general quantity. A is the quantity. So I have, see, measured values, I have the mean value. So you have to find out the differences between this measured value and mean value and take the mod of that. That is actually error. Okay, how much it is differing from the mean value. So that is error, and you will get such 5 errors like this. Okay, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, because there are 5 readings, and you take those and just add all of them and divide with 5, so that will give you the mean error. Okay, so let us try to solve then. I have given you the formula here. Let me find out what is mean. A mean will be actually addition of all this. Okay, I am not writing all the values, I am writing the last one, 1.28. so there are 5, I am dividing with 5, and you know what I get? I get 1.25 is the mean value. So I have got the mean value of this. Then I have to find out error for each and every one. See, A1 will be mod of 1.25 minus 1.25, that is the mean, so this will give you 0. Then A2 will be 1.24 minus 1.25, so this will give you 0.01. like that, if you see, if you take the differences for all of them, you will get gradually. See, for this particular measurement you will get A3 will be 0.02. for the reading this one you will get 0.04, and for this particular measurement you will get A5 to be 0.05. Then what you get as mean error, that is delta A, that is A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus A4 plus A5 divided by 5, you know, this is 0 plus 0.01, 0.02. I have all the values 0.04 and 0.03. okay, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if you divide with 5, you'll get 0. The mean error will be actually 0.02. okay, 0.02 mean error. Now you have to write down the relative percentage error, that is delta A divided by A mean. Okay, so that is 0.02 divided by 1.25 into 100. So this will give you 1.6%. You can just do the careful calculation, and you see here option D is going to be the correct answer for this question. Thank you.
Lot of money for iitjee coaching. Parents, do you want your kids to achieve top scores in iitjee? India's leading online NEET coaching 100% success iitjee. At TeenEinstein, we focus on iitjee coaching from class 6 to class 12. We think you'll like it. Our teachers are mostly PhDs in physics, maths, chemistry, botany, and zoology, with lots of years of teaching experience for class 6 to class 12. Thousands of videos, quiz, MCQs. We provide a daily worksheet of 30 questions on each topic: math, physics, chemistry, and biology, for rigorous practice, concept understanding, evaluation, quiz, and thousands of videos. Limited offer 40,000 rupees per year. Book your class. TeenEinstein.com.